Space is vast and mysterious. It is also completely silent. When we watch movies about space, we often hear sounds. Spaceships roar and lasers blast, but in reality, space is entirely quiet. The reason for this silence is simple. Space does not have any air. We need air to hear sounds. Without air, there is nothing for sound to travel through. Sound cannot exist in a vacuum. In the vast emptiness of space, there is no medium for sound waves to travel through. A vacuum is a space with nothing in it, not even air. It is devoid of matter, making it impossible for sound to propagate. Space is almost a perfect vacuum. The vast distances between celestial bodies mean that there is very little matter in space. There are tiny bits of gas and dust, but it is mostly empty. These particles are so sparse that they do not provide a medium for sound waves. On Earth, sound waves travel through the air. They move by vibrating air particles, creating waves that our ears can detect. They reach our ears, and we hear sound. This process relies on the presence of air or another medium to carry the vibrations. In space, there is no air for sound waves to travel through. Without a medium, the vibrations cannot move, and thus, no sound can be heard. This is why space is silent. The absence of a medium means that even the loudest explosion would be completely inaudible in the vacuum of space. Our planet is alive with sound. We hear birds singing, cars honking, and people talking. All these sounds happen because of the air around us. Sound waves travel through the air and reach our ears. Imagine a world without sound. It would be very different from our world. We would not be able to hear music, talk to our friends, or listen to the sounds of nature. Sound travels in waves, which are essentially vibrations that move through different materials. These waves need something to travel through, a medium that can carry the vibrations from one place to another. This something is called a medium. Without a medium, sound waves cannot travel, which is why space is silent. Air is a medium for sound waves. When we speak, our vocal cords create vibrations that travel through the air to reach another person's ears. Water is also a medium. In fact, sound travels faster in water than in air because water molecules are closer together, allowing vibrations to pass more quickly. Solids like wood and metal are mediums too. In these materials, sound waves can travel even faster because the particles are tightly packed. When a sound is made, it causes vibrations. These vibrations move through the medium, whether it's air, water, or a solid object. These vibrations travel through the medium as sound waves, carrying the energy from the source of the sound to our ears or to a recording device. The denser the medium, the faster the sound travels. This is because the particles are closer together, making it easier for the vibrations to pass from one particle to the next. This is why sound travels faster in water than in air, and even faster in solids like metal. Understanding how sound travels through different mediums helps us improve communication technology, even in the challenging environment of space. Fascinating facts about sound in space. Even though space is silent, astronauts can still talk to each other. They use radios to communicate. Radio waves can travel through the vacuum of space. Another interesting fact is that some celestial objects emit radio waves. Astronomers can detect these waves using special telescopes. By studying these waves, they can learn about these objects even though they are very far away. The silence of space reminds us of its vastness and mystery. It is a silence that speaks volumes, a silence that tells us about the infinite expanse that stretches beyond our comprehension. Each distant galaxy, each twinkling star, is a testament to the boundless nature of the universe. It shows us how different space is from Earth. On our planet, we are surrounded by sounds, from the rustling of leaves to the bustling of cities. But in space, there is an eerie quiet, a stillness that contrasts sharply with the vibrant life on Earth. While we may not be able to hear sounds in space, we can still learn about it through light and other forms of electromagnetic radiation. These waves travel across the cosmos, carrying with them secrets of distant stars and galaxies. Through advanced technology, we can capture and interpret these signals, unveiling the mysteries of the universe. So, the next time you look up at the stars, remember that even though it is silent, the universe is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. Each star you see is a gateway to a story, a piece of the cosmic puzzle that scientists and astronomers strive to solve. What other incredible secrets do you think the universe holds? From black holes to supernovas, from dark matter to the possibility of other life forms, the universe is a treasure trove of phenomena that continue to intrigue and inspire us. The silence of space is not an emptiness, but a canvas for endless discovery.